Please subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. Thank you very much. My son and I are out here to get this tire seated on the rim, and thanks to Half Cut Garage IL YouTube channel, he suggested I use vice grips on the ring, which I did. Thank you. So the lock ring is locked in place, and the split rim has to come up against that to lock it in there. So we're going to try to seat this tire on the rim, and we've made multiple attempts with the air bomb, and now we're going to go and do the dangerous method. Do not try this. It is very dangerous. But we're going to put ether in the thing and light it up and blow the tire up on the rim, and then hurry up and get air to it before it falls back off. So here we go.